TNT sent me their whole Dora Be Yourself collection, so let's get into it. I only have 6 boxes left. The one that I still want is Cat Punch, so let's see if we get her. No way. You're lying. And I got Cat Punch. She is so cute. Look at her little gloves. Look at her eyes. I love that she is all pink. Like, she's pinked out. This is the one that I have been wanting from this collection. I'm so happy I have her. And every character comes with a little picture of themselves and some stickers to put it on. I am so happy that I got the one I wanted. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, loves.